Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's YouTube video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use layout for Instagram stories. So most people do not know what layout is. So let me just go to my story over here on your story. So as you guys can see, this layout thingy over here, this is what a layout is on Instagram story. So let me tell you guys what it's used for. So if you try to take a regular photo just like this, so let me take a regular photo, it looks just like this. So I can only post one photo at a time like this. So if I want to post multiple photos at the same time on like a single story, I can. Instagram has released this new feature called layout. So let me discard this over here. So if I click on layout, then there are multiple layouts over here. So if I click on layout, and if I click on this, there's multiple layout to add multiple numbers of photo. If you want to add 6 photo, you can use this layout. If you want to add 2 photo, you can use this layout. You can use whichever layout you want according to the number of photo you want to post on your Instagram story. So with layout, you can create collages on your Instagram story, like photo collages. So let me create a 2 photo collage using this layout on Instagram. So the first one over here, I can even select it from my gallery, or I can either click a photo. So let me click one photo, and the other one I'm gonna select it from my gallery. So the first picture is going to be of this room over here, and the second picture I'm going to choose it from my gallery over here. It's going to be this cake box. So after choosing this both photo, I'm going to click on this tick mark, and this is basically what my story is going to look like with these 2 photos. So I can click on send to, and I can click on your story, done, and basically it's going to be uploaded on my story. So that's basically how you guys can use layout on Instagram story. It's that simple. It's used to create collages on Instagram story. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.